building that support system around you as well. At the end of the day, you can't be like an empty cup. You can't just go to people and say, "Oh, I need your support," if you haven't been supportive. And I tend to see that a lot these days as well. LinkedIn is one of the best places that you can be for your business as well. So make sure you create a professional profile on LinkedIn for yourself. So I have a lot of people on LinkedIn that will just suddenly, they will come up and they will say like, "Okay, I liked 5 of your posts. Can you come onto my page? I like 5 of my posts." And I think to myself, this is not speed dating. LinkedIn is for professionals to kind of like get to know each other and build that trust so you can do business together. It's not speed dating. But I'm gonna like your profile, and you're gonna like my profile, and I'm gonna like your content. And I need to comment.
Swipe left, swipe right.
Yeah, it's almost like a dating app, right? So just be somebody that's genuine, be somebody that's true, and be somebody that's very sincere. Because I think this sincerity is something that's very downplayed these days. Not many people are sincere in the words that they speak and what they do. So be somebody that's intentional. Have a proper vision for your life.